Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change your clock style on your Android lock screen. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to tap on the lock screen setting. This one. Tap on the lock screen setting. And since we want to change our clock style, we can tap on the clock style option. Then here you can select the clock style that you want to apply to your Android lock screen. And I'm gonna go with this one. So we can tap on the clock style that I want to use. And we can also change the color. Just click on the color that you want to apply, and I'm gonna go with maybe this one. Okay, and then we can click on done, and I'm going to show you the result. So I'm going to lock my phone. Okay, and this is the result. Now as you can see that the clock style has been changed. And I guess that's how we can change clock style on Android lock screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.